January 1st isn't astronomically significant. The Earth doesn't reset, the Sun doesn't shift, and the Moon doesn't align. So why does our year begin there? What if the real beginning of the year happens in March? At the exact moment, day and night stand equal. And so there's something important to clear up first. A lot of modern 13-month calendars are built on the idea that a lunar month is 28 days. 13 months of 28 days equals 364 days. Add one extra day and it looks perfect, symmetrical. It looks balanced and elegant. But a real lunar cycle from new moon to new moon isn't 28 days. It's 29 and a half. That difference matters because if you multiply 29.5 days by 12 lunar cycles, you only get about 354 days. That's 11 days short of the solar year. If you multiply 29.5 by 13, you get about 383 days. That's too long. The lunar months don't fit neatly inside a solar year, and that's the problem calendar systems have always had to solve. Here's something most people never notice. Look at the names of the months. September, October, November, December. They sound ordinary until you trace them back. In Latin, Septem means 7, Octo means 8, Novem means 9, and Decem means 10. So September literally means 7th month. And October is month 8. This isn't random, it's a clue. And in the early Roman calendar, the year began in March. March was month 1, which means September really was the 7th month. January and February came in later. And so the movements of the Earth stayed consistent. It's just that the way we counted it evolved. And here's something else most people don't realize. In Iran and parts of Central Asia, the new year still begins at the Spring Equinox. It's called Nowruz, meaning a new day. It dates back over 2,500 years. The year begins at the exact astronomical moment, day and night balance. Not a fixed date, but an event. What about the 13-month calendar then? 13 months of 28 days equals 364 days, and one day outside of time, and it looks perfect. It's elegant, it's symmetrical, but astronomically, it still requires adjustment. Most modern 13-month systems are reconstructions, inspired by ancient patterns, not a globally suppressed calendar. So maybe this isn't about hidden systems. Maybe it's about what a civilization values: agriculture, religion, administration, finance. The Gregorian calendar stabilizes global coordination, but the body still runs on cycles: light, sleep, seasons, hormones, mood. So this year, on the Spring Equinox, I say Happy New Year. Not to reject the calendar, but to recognize something older. When soil warms, when sap rises, and nature wakes. That feels like a beginning. So if you want to mark January 1st, that's fine. But when the light returns in March, that's when the Earth begins again. Happy New Year, Mother Earth. So maybe the question isn't when the year begins, but what we choose to notice. This week, step outside, watch the light change, feel the air shift, because whatever calendar we follow, the Earth is already moving.